Hi everyone, my name is Lakshita Makkar and I put up in Faridabad, and I have 3 years of work experience, 6 months in finance and previous experience in HR operations. So I wanted to start off like how I got to know about Ematicus. So I already had 2.5 years of working experience in HR operations, and I wanted to switch my domain. So I was exploring my options. So I came across Ematicus Learning, and this was one of the courses that I got to know. That's PGFAB, Postgraduate Program in Financial Analysis, which covers almost every aspect of finance, right from the financial statements analysis to various methodologies of doing the valuation. They also teach you a brief about the financial markets, which gives you a brief idea and glimpse about the stock market and trading. So this course has helped me a lot because the faculty is very much experienced. The curriculum is designed in a manner that even if somebody who wants to switch a domain or who is also starting off in finance, they can very well equip themselves with the knowledge that these guys provide through their curriculum. The course, which has been designed like this, postgraduate program in financial analysis, has been designed in such a way that can help anybody who already has experience in finance, that this can help them for upskilling themselves, which will be a cakewalk for them to bag good opportunities in future in this particular sector. And it's also good for everybody and anybody who wants to start their career in finance. So for me, switching from HR operations to finance was very much easy with this particular course. Just with 6 months of knowledge and the experience that I have got from here, I have been able to bag a good placement opportunity at Oxane Partners, where I'm currently working as financial analyst in credit monitoring. So I would say this course is very much helpful. This has been very much helpful for me, and this is helpful for anybody who is looking forward for a career switch or maybe a domain switch. But again, just to like add on to two things, is like they will provide you all the resources, but at the end it's your hard work and your efforts that will help you back the opportunity. And the opportunities that they are providing you, you can very well make the most out of them by putting in your efforts.